Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome to our podcast, Be Your Own Buffet. Well, in this podcast, we promise you to improve your financial literacy and teach you to let your money work for you. So, before starting the podcast, I want to tell you a short story. Should I? Okay. So, there was this boy named Adam. He had a decent job. He used to get his monthly income, which was enough to serve his needs. But there was this dream car he always wanted. Somehow, money always fell short to buy the same, and he was not able to buy it. Now, there was this girl next door named Eve. She was just studying, and she used to get pocket money. Using that pocket money, she was able to buy the car that Adam dreamed on. And one thing to be noticed, the pocket money was of course lesser than Adam's salary. Adam wondered, how did she do so? She said, I invested my pocket money. Simple as fuck. So let us address the elephant in the room then. How many of you think that earning money is tough, but you feel managing it is tougher? How many of you do not know what are the investment options available out there? We all want to invest money and earn best results from it. But where can we invest? How safe a product is, and what is the right product to get our expected result? What are the commonly heard products like shares, cryptocurrency, etc.? Well, by the end of this podcast, you will be well versed with the possible options of investment and you'll have answers for all your questions. So, if we have our savings with us, what are the easiest investment options available? Well, I'll not tell you the all because there are many, but to start with, I'll tell you 7 amazing products where you can park your money. To begin with, cryptocurrency, equity market, bank FD, SIP, liquid funds, and NSE, and real estate, of course. So, starting with cryptocurrency. Now, this is the most discussed product these days, let me tell you. What this product exactly is? Nothing. It is just digitalized form of cash. Digital cash you assume it to be. So you pay to hold an investment in the virtual world, the value of which is determined by supply and forces in the market. So whatever currency, cryptocurrency you're paying for, the value of it is completely dependent of its supply and demand in market. Because of the same reason, this is a very volatile form of investment. This is something which can make you rich and rags in a second. We all have done roller coaster rides, yeah? But we don't do it regularly. We do it once in a while. If we do it regularly, it will be lethargic. Similarly is cryptocurrency. You can invest in it only 10% of your portfolio. That is what we suggest. So that even if you lose, you aren't broke. Now coming to the second investment product. It is equity investments. Shares, you've heard about, right? So what are these shares? This is a kind of investment where you can buy stake in existing companies. So that share is actually your stake in the company, your share in that existing company. The value of the share depends on performance of company. It is also a volatile form of investment, but of course lesser than cryptocurrency. How much you should invest in it? Well, we'd suggest to invest around 30% of your total portfolio in this form of investment, provided you only invest in blue chip stocks. Now, what are these blue chip stocks? They're the trusted top 50 stocks of the share market. Now, why am I asking you to go for the blue chip stocks? Because you're new, so you should go for a relevantly safer option. And these blue chip stocks are trusted and safe. Now, coming to the third investment product, that is FD. You must have heard of this product a lot. Fixed deposit. What are these fixed deposits? This is a very safe option where you park your money in fixed deposits of bank, but the money is under lock-in. That means you cannot get your money back before that lock-in period ends. That is how, the name also suggests fixed deposit. You've invested it, it is fixed for this particular time. Also, this is a safe option, so of course return would be not like very good, they'll be like okay, reasonable. But since you're a first time investor and since you do not know much about the market, I could say that you can go for 25% of your total investments in this kind of product. It's not that bad. So let's come to the fourth option now, that is SIP, systematic investment plan. It's a lovely product, let me tell you, for a layman. So what we do in this product is we have money, we give it to fund managers who are learned men in this field of investment. We give this money, we said, see, we have this money, we're giving it to you, you invest in whichever product you want and yield us the best result. They do so. This is what happens in systematic investment plan. The unit that we get, which is the investment plan, that is known as SIP, and every month we do this investment. Now talking about the result and safety, it's both mediocre, so we would suggest 35% of your portfolio in this product. Now fifth is an alternative to FD. In this, you invest your saving in mutual funds, and the fund house in turn invests in short term instruments. This is called the liquid fund. These investments have no lock in, they are safe, and the return is also reasonable. If you wish to avoid lock-in in FD and earn equivalent return, this is your go-to product. Liquid investment is the best for you. Sixth is NSC, that is National Savings Certificate. If you want to invest in government fund and enjoy tax benefit, this is your go-to product. But in this product, lock-in exists and the result is also okayish. This product is good for people who want to park their money in government funds. Seventh is real estate. When you want to invest your money, which is beyond your savings for long term, this is a sound and perfect option, provided you invest in right property. These are a few products we discussed. If you want a more detailed explanation of each product, let us know and we will do the needful. Take care, stay tuned, bye bye.